Alright, let's get into this. Market opens here in about 1 minute. We're gonna kind of see what happens here. I kind of had a short bias going into the week, but that doesn't necessarily mean today I want to go short. It's unfortunate that it just froze right now. I want to see the freaking market open, but we're just gonna kind of wait. Alright, so just open. Potentially you could get a sweep off these highs, but we'll just kind of have to see how. We're just gonna kind of have to see how like order flow goes and stuff, because we kind of have some stacked up highs here that are pretty fire, low resistance liquidity here, and the thing is though, we didn't quite get a sweep here to cause this move up, so I don't know, and we could easily take these out off open from what it's looking like right now, but I don't know why my thing keeps freezing though. It's annoying. But yeah. Alright. Yeah, so we're gonna kind of see what happens here. It looks like, unfortunately, ES is about to take out one of my draws here. It's about to take out this opening gap as well for the week, which that's a pretty strong draw. I had that marked out. Yeah, I marked it out here as well. I don't know if we'll quite get there, but wow, look at that wick. But anyway, so that's kind of what we're monitoring right now. But yeah, so I mean, this could be like a continuation trade, but after these highs, it's not really anything I want, because we just have this illiquid price range, but we could flow through it, you know what I mean? So kind of just depends, to be honest. Kind of just depends. But yeah, it's kind of hard to say if we want to flood through this or not, because we still haven't. But it's like we've kind of went slowly up over time, you know. So it's like, what do we want to flood through this? You know what I mean? Because the previous however long, you know, we haven't. So that's kind of doesn't give me faith in that. I mean, we broke already to the upside way down here. Like, we just hit opening gap. We're about to hit this other high here that I have drawn. Wait, let me see. About to hit that. Like, yeah, so if we hit those, I'm no longer gonna really want to go long unless, you know, order flow says otherwise, but I just don't even have much to target, so. Alright, sorry about that. But anyway, let's just gonna monitor this, honestly. You know, if we take these out, like, I'm gonna probably want to try and take a short. I mean, there's not much other, you know, I mean, I wouldn't really want to take a continuation trade into this zone. It would really only be unless we were here, you know, and we get confirmation, and then we would be like, okay, we want to flood through this zone. But we haven't done that throughout this whole time since like the whole last week, you know what I mean? So it's like, why would I want to do that? Yeah, we've been slowly moving up, but yeah. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. We want to monitor these gaps. This just opened, so we're gonna want to see. Probably monitor this gap maybe on the 5-minute. What's lower? What's the lower in those? I'm thinking NQ. Yeah, NQ's a little lower. So yeah, we have. But like this isn't really what caused the move up though. So like could technically be a draw. We have session low, boom. We have this. Okay. You might get an SMT maybe off these highs. 515. Technically, this potentially could be a higher time frame. SMT here. We're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see because this potentially could be higher time frame. SMT here. So we're gonna have to monitor this. Keep an eye on that for sure. Didn't create a 5-minute, unfortunately. We do have this 15-minute here as well. Yeah, because we definitely want to get confirmation of a change in order flow to even want to short, but kind of leaning a little more towards sell, but
We'll miss it if
gonna
not.
see what happens here.
We have to take trash out tonight.
Ah, something's in my eye. Crap.
God, it's cold. Hi, see, you're almost finished. It's okay. Goodness, babe. Jeez, I didn't bash your head. There, is that better? Good Lord. She just jumped in anyway.
Alright, so
She just jumped in the window.
technically this is still valid right now. We just broke past these, but technically this is still valid right now until NQ wants to come up and smack these highs. This is still kind of valid. But that might be the case. I don't know. Depends how much higher you want to go because ES is smacking these like I said it would. That's kind of what I wanted. We couldn't get entry though, so like that's fine. But those are the highs that I wanted ideally for sure. So now, but we're at highs right now, so I kind of wouldn't want to take it long right now. For sure, for sure. Oh, dude, it's cold, bro. It's freaking cold. Holy crap, dude. Got a haircut. I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but yeah, I got a freaking haircut. I honestly wanted them to cut more, but it's all good. It's all good in the hood. Ow. This candle's gonna close here in a couple seconds, so gonna want to monitor this 5-minute gap. Same thing with this. Okay. This SMT is looking pretty valid still. So, yeah, bro. I think what we're gonna want to see here is us like inverse this gap, or maybe not. I don't know. Well, ideally, maybe we inverse this gap, then we get a retracement. Like maybe, godly, get inverse this gap. You know, maybe somewhere right here. Get a damn. Wow, what a candle. What a freaking candle. Oh my gosh, why is it? Oh my god, bro. My internet is so bad. Holy shit. Just trying to see the news. Alright. Yeah, bro, so we are... It's like I want to get a retracement if we inverse this gap, but at the same time we have all this low resistance liquidity here that I definitely see us taking at least taking all of that if we inverse this 5-minute. But it's like I don't want to get caught in a retracement to get stopped out. So that's kind of what I'm going to want to monitor right now. Because this is beautiful. This is beautiful displacement here. 2 minutes left. What's closer to draws? Okay, well, NQ is closer. It already took out all this, sadly. Just made equal lows. It's about to hit hourly low. Dang it. It's alright. Just a fat candle, to be honest. Bro, this candle's crazy, bro. Yeah, and this is equal lows as well here in the 5-minute. It's like, this is gonna get hit. I'm almost...
that what it is? I gotta throw a little.
So we're about to inverse it right now. Oh my god. Okay, we just inversed it.
It is.
The way we're moving right now, I may want to enter. I might wait a little bit for a good retrace candle.
Oh wait.
But it's also hard because we just hit a low.
Where are my keys?
We just hit a significant low.
I haven't seen my keys for a while. To the car. Do you see them out there? Well, I don't think I took them with me.
So like, but the way that moved, it moved really nice.
Crap, I didn't even think about that. They're not sitting in this drawer, and I'm like, they must be up here. Now that I have to leave. Alright, bye. Now I'm out.
Don't come back.
Alright. I found them. They were up there. Well, I have the rotary stick, but of course, you got nothing took the remote, so how am I don't know if
What?
just get a universal remote.
What?
With that rotary stick to fix my TV.
I told you you're not supposed to stick it to the TV.
Oh, and I can use my remote?
We're just waiting right now, honestly, for a retrace. Just waiting right now for a retrace.
No, the stick's here.
Who's remote?
I have a Roku remote in place for.
We can try to see.
What's the rate?
Well, it could fix my TV so then I can watch games and everything.
Well, why would he take it home?
The remote? Well, it was his.
Oh.
It was like brand new, but
Oh.
he got pissed off.
I'll be back later, son.
Alright.
Bye,
Yeah, see you
hon.
tonight.
Go work.
Look at that
See ya.
motorcycle.
I know, that's probably the one that's running around, huh? Well, I don't know.
Alright. I had to mute there. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, I'm honestly waiting for just that retrace right now. Don't freeze on me, please. Why does it keep doing that shit? It's really annoying. $9:48 right now, New York time. So this is kind of the time where we're looking to enter here in a couple minutes, give or take. But I need this to not freeze. Bro. Bro. Unfreeze, bro. What the hell? I gotta see the chart. Deadass. Holy shit, what the fuck? Okay, good. Like, bro, what is that? Alright, what's closer? NQ's closer. Okay, is there some sort of 1 minute gap? No. Okay, at this point, low key. I'd like to see us come into equilibrium, but also ES is looking really bearish right now. This might be the only retracement we need. If we get a break, I may want to enter. Three. No, we didn't quite get that break. Okay, that's why we wait. That is why we wait. Still waiting. Okay. Okay, let me not rush into anything. We just retraced into equilibrium, so this is now pretty solid here. I think we're in it on both indexes right now. Okay, no, not quite yet on ES, but that's fine. We're in it on NQ. That's the one that's closer. Yeah, we have this higher time frame SMT. This is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. Boom. SMT. So okay, so we have the higher time frame SMT divergence from this high to this high, and we have a higher high here on ES, lower high on NQ. NQ is leading. We're in equilibrium right now. We inversed this 5-minute gap. We took out all this low resistance liquidity. So it's also a thing we got to think about is, are we wanting to sweep? Because we technically have a potential bullish SMT as well here, because NQ is so much lower than ES right now. So that's kind of what we have to monitor as well right now. We're just gonna have to kind of look at like the 1 minute here and see what happens. I mean, yeah, like we could maybe inverse this 1 minute gap, and I'd feel comfortable entering, because I mean that follows my strategy right here. But I may want to wait till we would like break structure right here. I mean, inverse gap is break, so I mean that'll give me ideal entry. So we might get it, honestly. Yeah, and literally just target. I mean, probably move stop break even around this area. And target these lows if that's the case, if that's what we want to do. Golly, man. Why does it keep on freaking freezing right now? Like, this is right when I'm finna enter. Like, why does it keep doing that? It's really frustrating. I have to figure that out. I don't know what causes that. Okay, we haven't inversed it yet. But we're gonna get ready to right now. Here we go. Oh my god. Holy crap. Bro. Having computer issues right now. It's freaking annoying. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna get ready to enter here. Probably with 3 contracts. Targeting here. This is looking good. Let's see if we're gonna break. Yeah, we're gonna break. All right, so we're in. We are in. We're in shorts. Let's kind of see what happens here. Wait, did we break? Wait, no, technically we didn't break. Hold up. I didn't know that. Did not know that. Hopefully that's okay. Hopefully that's okay. We edged it right here, but hopefully that's all right. Anyway, all right. Shoot, bro. Crap. I thought it broke, but it didn't. I thought that crap broke. ES is looking good though. So let's see what happens here. Let's not really like stress out. I'm kind of mad that I didn't wait for that. I don't know what happened. I thought it did. I just kind of looked at it wrong, honestly. So yeah, but hopefully we'll be okay. I mean, this looks really good, so let's just see what happens here. I'd like to move stop break even around probably around this area. Something that I should know. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Something that I should know. Something that I should have known. Girl, never been through. Damn, Czar. Alright, this is looking pretty good though. I like what I'm seeing. So yeah, let's get it. Let's see what happens here. I'd like it to get a full break here. We'll see what happens though. Oh, bless me. Alright. I'm gonna get up and not really watch it here for a little bit. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, I'm back. What did I miss? Dang. Kind of a big wick there. Well, let's see what happens here, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, I don't love what I'm seeing. So we're gonna see. I don't really love what I'm seeing right now, but you know, I mean, yeah. Oh crap, holy candle. Holy candle. Alright, I'm probably gonna move stop break even here. Low key. put a sell limit right at this low. Just do 1. You think, or nah? I mean, I'll put 1 sell limit there. Girl, never been through something that I should have known. Girl, never been through all the reason I fall. I mean, I still want this low, to be frank. Let's see what happens here for sure. But I kind of still want this low. We're kind of rejecting though. That might be all we want. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. For some reason, I think it added me into a thing there, but yeah. It's unfortunate because I think we're gonna get stopped out at break even here. I was trying to shave off a mini here, or a micro here, but that wasn't the case. But we are still flooding right now, so this could be, I don't know, we're gonna have to see. Something that I should have known. Girl, never been through. Not the reason that I fall. she cool. She from come do some fun. If you want to come, give my brother some. Call me soda. Throw up all that money, baby. We be throwing that weekly. Gotta be sneaky. It is about to hit my break even right now, sadly. I think it will. I don't know. Oh, kind of edging me right now, but. Something that I should have known. Dang, bro, I just want to see it get out of this zone. Come on. I think if it potentially if it breaks past this low, I think I'll close somewhere down here. I don't know though. I mean, I don't want to close early, but like I'd like to secure it. I'd like to secure it. We'll see though. We'll see what happens though. It's like ES is looking more freaking bearish right now. That's the issue. But like the trade was leading on NQ, so we'll see how it goes. I'd like it to not freeze though. It's fine. Girl, I've never been through. Fall. Bro, what? Am I not in the trade? The hell? Bro, did my trade of it get disconnected? Oh, okay, we're good. I was like, bro, what? I fall? Something that I should have known. Something that I should have known. I'm gonna send a bid to my girl real quick. I'm in one right now. It's going good. We're just kind of consolidating right now. I want these lows down here, but it's risk free right now, so it's break even. So I'm not risking anything now because my stop loss break even, but it might get stopped out break even because we edged it a little bit earlier, so it's kind of unfortunate. But I want to see us hit this, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Bro, I might get stopped out break even here, honestly. I tried to take a partial right here when we got to this low, but then it ended up buying me one more mini in, unfortunately. But I think we're about to get stopped out break even, sadly, so it's all good though. It is all good though. Just really want this hourly low on NQ, but we'll see. I don't know. We're kind of having a hard time in this zone, so. We're having a really hard time in this zone right now, which is like annoying. So it's like if we get down here, it's like I want to close, but at the same time, if we flood all the way down here, it's like why would we not want to hit these hourlies? You know what I mean? So we're just kind of in a little bit of a situation here. And it's like I want to be able to trail my stop a little bit, but I have to give it this room. Like this room is the crucial part right now. So yeah. I think we're gonna get stopped out though, to be honest. The way we're moving right now, yeah. Called it. Called it, bro. Called it, my boy. It's about to happen. All right. All right. I don't know why it doesn't say 4. Whatever. Because it says we're in with 4 now. Yo, why did it... What the hell? Why'd it do that? What the heck was that, bro? That's annoying. Well, just got stopped out break even. Yeah, that's kind of unfortunate, but you know, it's all good in the hood. Probably should have just went for a 1-to-1, but it's like, because my 1-to-1 would have hit for sure. But yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start trying to go for lower RR trades, cause like I've been noticing like that's gonna but it's like I still think this is gonna flood, bro. Like I don't know. Well, anyway, that'll be it for me today, boys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.